Welcome to my YouTube channel, the easiest and interesting way to learn maths with Amarjit. If you like my videos and your knowledge is increasing, subscribe my channel and press like icon on YouTube. Thank you. Today I'll take test of maths formulas of mensuration statistics and probability. Before giving this test, you may need to learn formulas which you can see in the link given on description. One more thing I would like to tell, that after appearing each question, you will have 10 seconds to think the answer. Afterwards, answer will appear. Let's start. Here's the first question before you. Area of circle. What is the formula of area of circle? It's pi r square. Next, tell me the formula of circumference of circle. It's 2 pi r. Area of a sector. Area of a sector. It's theta over 360 into pi r square. Length of arc of a sector. It's equal to theta over 360 into 2 pi r. Arc of a sector is theta over 360 into pi r square, while length of arc of a sector is theta over 360 into 2 pi r. Now curved surface area of cylinder. Curved surface area of cylinder. It's 2 pi r h. Curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. Total surface area of cylinder. Tell me the formula of total surface area of cylinder. It's equal to 2 pi r into r plus h. Now, volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Curved surface area of cone. Tell me the formula of curved surface area of cone. It's pi r l, where l is under root r square plus h square. Total surface area of cone. What is the formula of total surface area of cone? It's pi r into r plus l. Volume of cone. It's equal to 1 over 3 pi r square h. Volume of cone is 1 over 3 pi r square h, while volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Now next set of formulas. Area of cube. Tell me the formula of area of cube. It's equal to 6L square, where L is side of cube. Area of cube is 6L square. Volume of cube. It's L cube, or side into side into side. Area of cuboid. It's equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Area of cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, while area of cube is 6L square. Now volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid is LBH, whereas volume of cube is L cube. Area of sphere. Area of sphere. It's 4 pi r square. Volume of sphere. Volume of sphere, it's equal to 4 over 3 pi r cube. Now area of hemisphere. What is the formula of area of hemisphere? It's 2 pi r square, whereas area of sphere is 4 pi r square. Total surface area of hemisphere. It's 3 pi r square. Volume of hemisphere. It's 2 over 3 pi r cube. By mistake it has written volume, consider it as volume. Volume of frustum of a cone. It's equal to 1 by 3 pi into small r square plus capital R square plus small r capital R into h. Curved surface area of a frustum of a cone. Curved surface area of a frustum of a cone is pi into small r plus capital R into L. Now tell me the formula of slant height L in frustum of a cone. It's equal to under root h square plus capital R minus small r whole square. Now next set of formulas. What is the formula of mean? X bar equal to A plus sigma Fi ui over sigma Fi into H. Now mod. Formula of mod. It's L plus F1 minus F0 over 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Median. Tell me the formula of median. It's equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf over F into H. How many spades, hearts, diamonds and clubs are there in a deck of 52 cards? How many spades, hearts, diamonds and clubs are there in a deck of 52 cards? Each suit has 13 cards, which means there are 13 spades, 13 hearts, 13 diamonds and 13 clubs. How many face cards are there in a deck of 52 cards? How many face cards are there in a pack of 52 cards or in a deck of 52 cards? Answer is 12. Face cards are 12. How many red kings are there in a pack of 52 cards? There are 2 red kings. Similarly, there are 2 black kings. Tell me the formula of probability. It's number of favorable cases or outcomes over total number of all possible outcomes. Probability is equal to number of favorable outcomes over total number of all possible outcomes. Now sum of probability of not occurring an event and probability of occurring an event is equal to it's equal to 1. Thank you all for keep supporting me.